For 735, they're giving us a graph of dollars versus years, and they're asking us if the money is accruing based on simple or compound interest. Since it's a straight line, it's a linear equation, we can tell that it's simple interest, and it's asking us to write an equation for the line. So a line can be written in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, m being the slope, right? So m is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. So we can just look on the graph for these values. So the y-intercept b, I can see it right here. It's at 500, so I know b equals 500. And the slope, I could use the slope formula, or I could just do a slope triangle, and I'll try to draw one as close on this graph as I can, right? Not a great triangle, but okay, you get the point. So the change in y, it went from 500 up to 700, right? This little bit right here. So the change in y would be up 200. And then the change in x went over this way. That's a little better of a slope triangle, right? It went over 2 years, so over 2. So the slope comes out to be 100. So now I can write the equation in slope-intercept form as y equals m, which is 100, x plus b, which is 500. And there's the equation of the line.